Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have it's a little shower threshold. So if you have a shower and it somehow starts to leak out of it or something like that, you can put down this. It's a nice rubber kind of flexible gasket here, and the way it will work is you'll just put it down on your floor and it will keep the water from coming out of your shower. So if you have like a shower door that opens in, or if it opens out, you can just put it on the inside, whichever way, but you just put it on there and it will keep the water from going out. So neat little idea here. I'll show you real quick. Let me see if I can go. I don't know if it'll work in this. I got it for a different shower, but I have a shower in here. And if I have the light, I can show you guys what we'll do. So if this was the shower right here, I can just go, and this one here opens out. This one has a little threshold already. But if it didn't, if you're having those frameless ones, you could just put this right across there as such. Let's see if I can get it in there. You could put it right across and then it will keep the water inside there. So that's kind of what it's for. So it's a nice little shower down there, or you could keep it, put it around anything that you don't want the water to get through. But that is a cool little idea, and it comes with the double-sided tape on the bottom, so it'll just stick right down, and very good. So I like it. Thumbs up for sure.